Hello everyone, welcome to my channel or welcome back if you've been here before. I'm Beautifullove4ever, aka Tech. Thanks for joining me. So to prime my eyes, we're going to use the Juvia's Place Concealer in 16 and set it with the ABA setting powder in Deep Peach. Next, I'm using Juvia's Place the Warrior eyeshadow palette. And I'm going to take that brown shade and put that in my crease. And then I'm going to take the other two shades and put those on my lids. Also, if you're watching and you're not subscribed, please make sure that you do so. Make sure you hit the bell and click all so be alerted of all my uploads. I upload a new short every Monday and a new video every Friday. Also, please make sure to click the like button on my shorts and videos, as well as comment and share, because I would really appreciate that. Now I'm going to take the dark shade that's in the same palette and I'm going to put that on the outer part of my eyes. Next, I'm using the Girlactik Precise Eyeliner Marker. For lashes, I'm using the Ioni Cluster Spiky Lashes and the House of Lashes Eyelash Glue. Moving on to my face, I'm going to use the Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Gel. Next, I'm using the Everyday Humans Rose from Above Mineral Sunscreen. For primer, I'm using the Touch and Salt No Pore Blem Primer. To correct the dark spots on my face and neck, I'm using the e.l.f. Orange Color Corrector. For some more coverage, I'm using the e.l.f. Camo Concealer in Deep Chestnut, and I'm just putting this the same places where I put the orange corrector at. Now I'm using the ABA setting powder and Deep Peach again to set where I had that orange corrector and that concealer at. For foundation, I'm using the Uma by Sharon C Skin Perfecting Foundation in Bronze Venus T5. To highlight, I'm using the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in Praline, and I'm just putting this all the places where the light would naturally hit my face. While that's sitting, I'm going to use the Juvia's Place Bronzer Palette in Dark to contour my nose as well as bronze other parts of my face. Next, I'm using the setting powder to set where I had that concealer at. For my all over face powder, I'm using the Fenty Beauty Soft Matte Powder Foundation in the shade 440. For my blush, I'm using the Beauty Bay Blush in Coral. To highlight, I'm using the Juvia's Place the Royalty 1 Loose Highlighter. For lips, I'm using Juvia's Place Lip Liner in Brownie and the Stella Heavens Dew Gel Lip Oil in Galaxy. To set my face, I'm using the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. And that's it for this makeup tutorial. Hope you enjoyed this golden black eye makeup look that I did. If you're not subscribed, please make sure that you do so. Make sure you hit the bell and you click all so you'll be alerted of all my uploads. I upload a new short every Monday and a new video every Friday. Also, please make sure to click the like button on my shorts and videos as well as comment and share because I really appreciate that. Everything I use will be listed in the description box as well as on my social media handles. Thank you all so much for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you. I'll see you all on the next one and make sure you take care of yourselves. Bye.